In this video, we will show you how to change the check valve cartridge. The tools that we need: the half-inch wrench, hex key, check valve cartridge, 3 Cal F seals, and 2 push rods. These are included in the kit, part number 1381. This is how to replace a check valve cartridge using a half-inch wrench and unscrew the inlet. This is how you remove the Cal F seal and the valve cartridge. And if some of the parts are stuck, you can use the tool to push them out. Set aside the check valve and the used seals. Grab new seals and a valve cartridge. The insert goes first, then the Cal F seal, then the check valve cartridge. The triangle facing the flow of the liquid for the inlet, and then the Cal F seal. Now you can attach the inlet to the liquid end. Be careful that it's facing upward straight so that the parts are not moving around. For the outlet, you can either have pump upside down or remove these two screws to completely remove the liquid end and then replace the check valve cartridge on the outlet. When you are tightening the inlet or outlet, make sure you not exceed 4.5 foot-pound torque, otherwise you will damage the seals or check valve seating. If you're worried about losing any of these small parts, then we have an integrated check valve that has seals integrated into it. Our part number for the kit is 6280.